channel, or if you are new subscriber, welcome to my YouTube channel. So the drill is like, you have to hit that red subscribe button, like my video and press that notification bar so you get notified when I upload the new video. So in this video I'm starting a new food challenge. It is like I eat the food in alphabetical order for legit 24 hours. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. With the letter A, I'm gonna have almonds. You can see this. And I usually eat almonds in the morning, so it's like normal to me. And now comes the letter B and C. So I have a combination. It's like bread and butter with chai. And in this quarantine, I have like a habit of drinking chai every morning. So let's just do that. So from the letter D, I'm gonna have dairy milk since I love chocolate. Next letter I have is E, and I'm going with elaichi. As you can see, let me show you, this is the elaichi, and usually people don't like it in this state, but I'm a kind of person, जब मैं चाय बना रही होती हूँ तब भी अगर मैं एक इलायची डाल रही हूँ तो मैं थोड़ी सी उसमें से खा जाती हूँ because I'm loving it. I love it. It's my best mouth freshener. I'm done with letter E. So from the letter F, I'm gonna have fries. These are my fries. So for the letter G, I'm gonna have ginger. Although I could have gems, that would taste extreme sweet to me. But for this challenge, I want to try something very weird. So I took ginger. So you can see, like I cannot use this part, so I'm gonna peel it off and then I will take just a bite, and trust me, I have never tried in my life this. So let's see. It's very weird. Don't try it. Don't try it. And for letter H, I'm gonna have this halwa because I need it very much, so I'm going with it. This is from letter H. Now I still have that taste in my mouth. It's okay. So now I have the letter I, and for I would go with the ice cream. So, and in the summers, we all like to have ice cream at any point of the day. So here I go. So coming up with the letter J, I will go up with the mango juice I have. And after that, we have the letter K. So I'm gonna have these kishmish. Honestly, I hate kishmish, but still for this video challenge I'm gonna have this. For the past several years I have not consumed kishmish. But I have done that, so it's okay. So coming up to the letter N, एंड अभी शाम के 5:30 बज रहे हैं और मेरा स्पीड काफ़ी स्लो चल रहा है, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. सो कमिंग अप विद एन, it's L. So for L, I have this lemon, and in one spoon I have squeezed it, and I have the juice. If you can see it, it's like 1 tablespoon. I didn't choose a teaspoon, and honestly I have a glass filled of water with me because I know what my reaction could be. So it's like too weird. So the letter M, I have this all-time favorite Maggi, and please let me know in the comment section if you love Maggi as I do. It's my favorite. I can eat Maggi for like 24/7. And let me finish off my Maggi and come back to you. Bye. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा मिर्ची की मैगी है. I can't eat it like this. So I have like N for these nice time biscuits. These are the biscuits which are coated with sugar, and I think they can save me from this mirchili Maggi. I'm gonna have this. After finishing my Maggi with those nice time biscuits, I am completely full, and I'm going on with my favorite biscuit. These are the Oreos. They are my favorite. They are my like all-time favorite biscuits. I can spend my entire life eating just the Maggi and these Oreo biscuits. So coming on to letter P, I have so many papads with me, and they are nice, but I can't eat like full of them. So letter P is done. After P we have like Q. So I made these Quaker oats, and they seem to me like this. But honestly, I don't like oats. I'm not a dietary person, so I don't like them. But still, it's like khichdi. Q done. Then we have QR. I have this rusk, but I can't eat it without my tea. So I'm gonna eat it with my tea. And like, so R is done. Then I have these cute little samosas made by my mom. So I have one samosa. That is done for letter S. And S, then I have like tea. So I have my favorite toffees with me. So I'm gonna have this one. So coming up to the letter U, finally I made this. It's like 9 o'clock and I made it to Unibic biscuits. I really found them after so much of struggle. So letter U was quite difficult for me, but I made it. So these are my Unibic biscuits. I'm gonna have them. They are tasty. You should try them if you haven't. So I have completed my letter U, and now I'm gonna have this worst thing ever. I haven't tried it in my entire life. It's V for vanilla essence. I know it's not for edible purposes, but I know it's like edible thing, but still it's not used directly, suppose. But I have to. I don't know, but I am going to have this. It's like I have filled my spoon with this, and I don't know what it smells like. Cough syrup, but I'm still not ready. But it's like too weird. And for W, I'm gonna have this water. Trust me guys, never taste this vanilla essence. It's like very bad. So having this glass of water was very compulsory for me, and I have completed my letter W with it. So I made it to the letter X, and from X I have this is Zingua. It's like a watermelon, but it's called Zingua when it's with no seeds. So I'm gonna have this. And coming up with the letter Y, which is my second last item, I have this fruit yogurt, and I really like yogurts. So I will have 1 spoon of yogurt. But it is not damn tasty. Like, I think I have a misconception that I like yogurt. It's like I think it's not good because whatever, but I only have this last letter and I still have 20 minutes left to complete this challenge. So left with the letter Z. So coming up with the last letter, last alphabet for the day is Z, and it's like a ziti. It's a proper dish which took me around 45 minutes to make, and it's something that should be baked also. So a lot of work is invested in it. So let's just do it and then we will end the vlog here. Hey guys, so this is like, I still have 5 minutes and I have completed my challenge. So I should be awarded with something, and that something could be anything. I will decide it myself. So you just have to follow the same drill again, like my video, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So till then, bye.